Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful. You are amazing. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. This is your extended love reading. It just wants to come out. Devil in the Five of Cups. Okay. So please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it does not resonate with you, Aquarius, please take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. Okay? Because this is the general extended love reading. So it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating. So I have already uploaded your main reading, main love reading, your general reading. You can have a look on that too, and from that I got these energies for you for today. And what I got is that there is someone who is keeping tabs on you, who is looking, who is spying on your social media apps. Maybe they are finding out what my Aquarius are up to, but they are manifesting something. Aquarius, they are manifesting you here. The magician is here. They are someone who is very authoritative, controlling. Okay, they know how to, you know emperor is something who knows how to govern their own kingdom. Okay, so maybe there is an age gap between you or this person. There is an authoritative figure here. Okay, a fatherly figure, authoritative figure. And maybe with this person you were having 10 of pentacles in the past, because this is someone who is coming back from your past. Here I'm having 6 of cup. Okay, so this is someone from your past, and this is also a soulmate card. But with this person there were a lot of fighting, drama, conflicts was there, Aquarius. And either with this person, either you were married to this person or you were committed to this person for long period of time. But there is 7 of swords and there is 8 of pentacles here. Can you see? This person is someone who is very manipulative, who plays mind games, deceptive energies. Okay, and they are looking towards you, and you're working on yourself here. Can you see how hard working you are, Aquarius? You are working on yourself. Okay, you are working on your, maybe your money, your finances, your career, or on your healing, on your own self, but you are working on yourself here. Then here I'm having 6 of pentacle, oh, 6 of cups, sorry, 6 of cup and ace of pentacle here. So yes, they are coming towards you to give a stable committed offer. Here this is someone from your past, but this is a devil energy. He's here, some kind of toxicity is attached to with this person. I need to check out in the extended, that's why I'm making this video. But they are going through with lot of pain here, Aquarius. They are going through lot of pain, lot of betrayal, lot of backstabbing. All swords were put in their back here. Can you see? 10 of swords. Maybe there was a third party situation which was involved in their life, and now after all gone, after all this incidents, now they're getting to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. And now they want to give you 2 of cups here. They want to share their cup with you, but they are feeling very regret, very guilt. They're having a lot of guilt. They are very feeling very sorry, sad, remorse on those things which has already happened in the past. Okay, now let's start your clarification. Let's see what are the cards meaning. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to clarify this reading. Let's start. Why there is page of swords? Clarify me page of swords. King of pentacle. King of pentacle. This is someone who is financially stable. Can you see? Maybe there is an age gap between you and this person. Maybe they having a pet with them. I don't read like this. See, bottom of the deck I'm having again the 7 of swords and 2 of swords. They were unable to make a decision in the past. For now they are having sleepless nights. This is someone who is very, see, 7 of swords and 7 of swords has come twice. So this energy is deceptive, Aquarius. Okay, this is someone who plays with mind games, Okay, this person is keeping tabs on you here. Maybe they are having pet. Okay, but this person is someone who know how to manage his finances. Maybe they are financially stable, grounded. Okay, so yes, clarify me magician. Why there is magician? Two of cups. They are manifesting to give you two of cups here. Okay, they're manifesting two of cups here. Bottom of the deck, I'm having the tower. The tower, some unexpected changes. This is the divine intervention in their life, in your partner's life. So things happen, sudden changes happen in their life, and after this tower movement, now they are manifesting two of cups here. Both you, they want to give you cup, and they want, this is beautiful energy if they are manifesting this to give you, because they're expecting you also to participate in that. Okay, and they're using their intuitions here. This person is very intuitive, and they're using their intuitions too. Let me see more. Clarify me emperor. What else I want? Page of swords. Yeah, this is the same energy. Page of swords is being clarified by emperor here, and here I'm having page of swords is being clarified by the king of pentacles. So yes, this is the same energy, Aquarius. Okay, they are heavily keeping tabs on you, they are spying on you. What are my Aquarius doing? Okay, so this is the same energy. The king of pentacle and the emperor is someone, not two different energies, this is the same energy here. Okay, so yes, they are spying on you, they are keeping tabs on you. You are not in contact with this person. Okay, you both are not talking to each other. That's the message I'm getting. That's why they're keeping tabs on you, because now they're getting to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. Okay, you are the wish fulfillment for them. Now they're getting to know this. Oh my god. How much this person is obsessed with you. Actually, they are realizing your worth now. That's the message I'm getting. After gone through lot of, here, lot of things in their life, now they are realizing that yes, Aquarius are the wish fulfillment for them. Clarify me ten of pentacles. Ten of wands. See, ten of wands and ten of swords both are here. They're releasing all the burdens which they're carrying on their shoulders. Clarify me ten of pentacles. Clarify me ten of pentacles. Why there is ten of pentacles? Bottom of the deck, I'm having five of wands and five of wands. There were a lot of fighting, drama, conflicts with this person here, and five of pentacle I have got here for you. So yes, ten of pentacle is being clarified by ten of wands and five of pentacle. This is someone who left you out in cold, Aquarius. They left you out in the cold in the past. Okay, and now they are carrying lot of burdens on their shoulders about why I left Aquarius in cold. Okay, they're feeling lot of burdens, but they're releasing it because there is a completion here. There is 10, there is no 11. Okay, so they are releasing all the burdens on their shoulders, whatever burdens they are carrying on their shoulders. Maybe you receive a message or sorry or apology with this person. A page of cup is here, but they were, this person and you were having lot of fighting, drama, conflicts. Okay, for sure. Okay, let me clarify. Five of wands. Bottom of the deck, I'm having two of pentacles, because there were no balance in a situation, and can you see, they were juggling a lot for a balance. Okay, there were no balance in a situation here, and they was not ready to open up. The seven of wands has come here. So in the past, this person was very defensive. This was the person who was not ready to open up in front of you. They were not putting they guards down here. Because of that, you may be having lot of fighting drama. They were juggling a lot with the balance issues here. They were trying so hard to bring a balance in a situation, but they were unable to bring a balance, Aquarius, because they were unable to open up here. They were very protected. They were guarding their self. They were not putting the guards down here. Clarify me, Hierophant. 10 of Cups. Yes, this was someone with whom you are having a family dynamic here. 10 of Cups is here. Either you are married to this person or you were committed to this person long period of time here. 10 of Cup is being clarified by the Hierophant. So either you are having kids too, that can be a possibility, because here can you see there are kids who are playing with this in this picture here. So either you were married to this person or you were having some kind of family dynamic with this person, okay, or you were committed to this person. If you're not having any kid, so you were committed to this person for long period of time here. Okay, clarify me, 7 of Swords. Why there is 7 of Swords? You won't believe it. 1111 was the recording reading time. 7 of Swords has been clarified by 7 of Swords. Seven of Swords has been clarified by 7 of Swords. This energy is deceptive. Who will play mind games, deception, lying, cheating, manipulation. And now they are making a decision here. 2 of Wands. Again, there is devil here inside of this. This person is someone very toxic. Clarify me, 7 of Swords more. Please clarify me, 7 of Swords. The Judgment. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Star, 9 of Swords, 3 of Cups, Intuitions. Okay, High Priestess. So yes, there was some kind of third party situation which was involved in this situation. Now they are spending sleepless nights here. They can't sleep at night, Aquarius. They're spending sleepless nights. They are making judgment. They're hoping for you. They're hoping for new hopes, new desires. They're hoping for you, the star. They're making a judgment for their life here. Why this person is so deceptive? Okay, but this person is deceptive for sure, Aquarius. Because here I'm having 7 of Swords is being clarified by 7 of Swords. Can you see? Let me see more. Please help me out to clarify 8 of Pentacles. Ace of Pentacle, 9 of Pentacle. Again, Ace of Pentacle and Ace of Pentacle. You are working on yourself, Aquarius here. Can you see 9 of Pentacle? You are enjoying your singlehood. You are working on yourself. You're putting a lot of hard work on yourself. Now you're knowing that you are single, happy, abundant. You're enjoying your singlehood. And they're coming towards you to give you a committed here, a stable committed offer. Maybe some stability, but some kind of offer is coming towards you with this from this person here. Okay, Ace of Pentacle is here. So this person wants to give you Ace of Pentacle because they see you as someone who is very single, very abundant, enjoying their singlehood. Can you see how happy you are enjoying your singlehood? You are enjoying your freedom, you are enjoying your life, you are working on yourself. Okay, so this person wants to give you some kind of stable committed offer. Clarify me, 6 of Cups. Why there is 6 of Cups? 6 of Cups is been clarified by 4 of Wands. Okay, clarify me, 6 of Cups. Clarify me, 6 of Cups. Clarify me, 6 of Cups. They're manifesting you, Aquarius. They are manifesting you. Some kind of communication is coming towards you. A lot of communication is coming towards you here with the Eight of Wands. This is someone from your past who is coming towards you. My either, and Four of Wands is also a marriage card. It's also a 1111 soulmate card. Twin flame card is also here. Okay, so either you are married to this person or this is your soulmate here, because here I'm having Six of Cups too. But lot of communication is coming towards you. They see you as someone who is an empress here, and empress here again. Emperor and empress both are here. They see you as someone who is empress, who is very nurturing, caring, mothering figure. Your success, your victory, you getting success, recognition, victory in getting this. Maybe you have built an empire for you. That's the message I'm getting for you. They walk away from your life here. Eight of Cups, he is here. They move in a forward direction, leaving you behind. That's why they're getting the strength to approach you. They're keeping their strength, they're gaining their confidence to approach you, Aquarius. And they're manifesting you. Here I'm having Magician and the Star here. See, I told you they are manifesting something. The Magician is here. They're manifesting to give you Two of Cups. They're manifesting you, basically, the Star, the new hopes, new desires. They're manifesting you. They are gaining the strength to approach you, Aquarius, basically, because they know that they are the one who left you out here in search of Nine of Cups. They want their wish fulfillment, and after that, after leaving you behind, they get to know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. Okay, now there is getting this clarity that you are the wish fulfillment for them, and now they're gaining the strength to approach you, basically. They're gaining the strength to approach you, to talk to you, to give you Ace of Pentacle. They're gaining the strength, they're keeping their strength here. They're manifesting you. Maybe a lot of communication is indicated here. Maybe social media, WhatsApp, Facebook, any other social media, that can be possible. But a lot of communication is coming towards you here. Okay, let me clarify why. And this person is not happy at all. Can you see bottom of the deck? I'm having Five of Cups. They're feeling very sad, remorse, guilt, regret on the things which has already happened in the past here. So yes, they are feeling very sad, remorse, guilt. They are not happy at all. Clarify me Ace of Pentacles. You are holding back with this person. Four of Pentacles. You are not opening up at all. Okay, you are holding back. That's why this person wants to give you Ace of Pentacle, because you are not giving any energy to this person. You are holding back your energy. Okay, you are not opening up with this person. Clarify me Devil. Why there is Devil here? What is the toxicity which is attached to this person? Why there is Devil? Please help me out to clarify. Why there is Devil? Why there is Devil? Bottom of the deck, I'm having Eight of Swords. Okay. Nine of Cups, Hierophant again. Nine of Cups, Hierophant. Seven of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, Two of Swords, the Moon is here. This person was unaware about their own emotions. They were unaware about their own emotions. They did not know. They were having a lot of confusion about their own emotions. They don't have any clarity about their own emotions. That's why they were unable to make a decision, because there was no clarity. There was a lot of confusion. They even don't know about what there is a lot of love inside their heart for you, Aquarius. They were unable to make a decision at that point of time. That's why the Devil is here, because there were a lot of confusion. They were hidden emotions which they were unaware of. Okay, they were unaware of. They don't know that you are the wish fulfillment for them. They don't know this. They were having lot of confusion about that thing. You were having a clarity, but this person was not having a clarity at all. Seven of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, and Hierophant. Yes, they were putting efforts. Okay, either you are married to this person or you were, and because here I'm having Queen of Cups, so this is someone who is having lot of emotions. Queen of Cup can be a water energy you are dealing with. That can be a possibility. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, that can be a possibility. But this person is someone who is having lot of, can you see, lot of emotions, and that's why the high priestess was here, because Queen of Cups is someone who uses their intuitions. They were using their intuitions and they were using their emotions. This person is someone who is maybe having lot of emotions to give. Okay, but they were having lot of confusion. 2112 was the recording reading time, the mirror image. Okay, they were not having any clarity here in their emotions. There was no clarity. There were hidden emotions which was affecting this relationship, and now they're feeling restricted, stuck. Eight of Swords, they're feeling restricted, they're feeling stuck. See again, Nine of Swords, they are unable to sleep at night. Lovers has been, this is the love of your life. Okay, the love, the love. Okay, but they were not having any clarity. That's why the devil is here. Maybe you convinced this person that, but this person was having a, can you see, Seven of Wands, they're putting guards. They were not ready to put the guards down because they were not having surety, the clarity that you are the wish fulfillment for them. They have lot of love for you. They were not they were not aware of. Now they're feeling like an hangman. They're feeling like an hangman. They're feeling like restricted, stuck. Clarify me, Ten of Swords. Clarify me, Ten of Swords. See, I was stuck too. Okay, for a second right now I was unable to speak, because now when they able to get to know that yes, you are the wish fulfillment for them, they are feeling stuck and restricted about how to approach Aquarius. Ten of Swords has been clarified by Sun. Beautiful. They want to give you new happy beginnings. They want new happy beginnings because this is the happiest card in the tarot deck. Bottom of the deck, again I'm having the High Priestess. I told you, Queen of Cups is someone who uses their intuitions. Okay, so now they are using their intuitions. Okay, maybe in the past they were not using their intuitions, but now they are using their intuitions, and they want to give, they want to start, they want to have new happy beginnings in their life. They want to have new happy beginnings. Okay, now they're using the intuitions. Okay, use their intuitions, and you have let me see, this is what they are going through, because bottom of the deck, wow, the World and the Emperor, they're completing a cycle, they're closing out a cycle, because here I'm having Ten of Wands and Ten of Swords. They're unable to speak here because they are feeling restricted. They are stuck. They're feeling like a hangman. They don't know what to do. They want happiness in their life. They're going through a lot of, can you see, Ten of Swords, and there is World card here. They are completing a cycle here, but now they want happiness in their life. Clarify me, Three of Cups, Page of Cup. I told you, maybe some kind of sorry apology you will receive from them. Okay, some kind of small message or small saying sorry Aquarius or hi Aquarius, you are going to receive it from this person's side. Clarify me, Nine of Cups, Six of Cup. It just want to fell out. Okay, Two of Wands. They're making a decision. They are at the crossroads and they're making a decision, Aquarius. They're making a decision. This is someone from your past, Aquarius, here. Okay, Six of Cups is here. This is someone from your past. And Six of Cups is also a soulmate card. Clarify me, Two of Cups. Clarify me. Yeah, they're spending sleepless nights. I told you they can't sleep at night at all, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having King of Swords here. King of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Ace of Wands is here, bottom of the deck. They're having a thoughts of you here. You ignite the passion in them, and they know the truth. They know this truth. Whatever is happening, that is going to end here. Death and rebirth. And in the main reading also, I was having the death card in the bottom of the deck. Here I was having page of cup 2. So yes, whatever situation was there, that is going to end. Okay, they know the truth, that you ignite the passion in them. And can you see what I'm having here? King of Cups, Three of Swords. Yeah, they put you, this is you. This is you, Aquarius. They put you in a third party situation. They broke your heart many times. And because of that, your guards are up and you're resting and rejuvenating yourself. You're working on yourself. You're healing. Four of Swords and Nine of Wands. Your guards are high. They broke your heart many times here in the past. Okay, but that situation is going to end here. The death card is here. They get to know the truth. Now they know the truth. Okay, they know the truth, that you ignite the passion in them, because King of Swords is someone who knows the truth. Okay, clarify me. Five of Wands. Knight of Cup, Queen of Swords. But I'm not going to take it because it just fell out. Okay, let me see. I just cut it out and Five of Cups is here. Okay, let me shuffle it again. Please clarify. Five of Cups. Justice. Eight of Swords. Judgment is here again, bottom of the deck. Yes, some kind of justice is being served in your case, Aquarius. Some kind of karmic justice is being served in your case. They are feeling very restricted, very stuck here, because they are focusing on those things which has already happened in the past. Okay. So that was your clarification. Let's see what is the message from the universe. What is the advice? Please give me the advice for the Aquarius for this reading. What is the advice? Please help me out to deliver the advice. Again, the death card is here. Whatever situation is going to end, Aquarius. End. Death and rebirth. Because old things has to end so that something new can begin. Okay, this is transformation, this is death. So whatever is here, that is going to end. Let me see more. What is the advice for Aquarius? Please give me the advice. Please help me out to give the advice for Aquarius. Queen of Wands. What is the advice? Ten of Swords. Three of Swords. What is the advice for Aquarius? Three of Pentacles. What is the advice? The Fool. Okay, so advice is Death card, Queen of Wands, Ten of Swords, Three of Swords, Three of Pentacles, the Fool, the Ten of Pentacles and King of Wands. See, I'm having King of Wands, Queen of Wands both here. The power couple is here. I told you this is someone who is your soulmate here. That can be a possibility. You are dealing with your soulmate, your twin flame, whatever you can call. There was definitely a third party situation which was involved in your case here. Three of Swords and Three of Pentacles both are here. But now they want to take a leap of faith with you here. The Fool card is here. See, again the Ten of Swords is here. Someone broke their heart. They put all the swords in their bag here. Ten of Swords is here. Can you see? Ten of Swords and Ten of Swords. Both are here. So yes, they're getting their karma back. That's the message I'm getting for you. Okay. So yes, someone put all the swords in their bag and now they want to take a leap of faith with you here, and they want to create something beautiful with you here. The Ten of Pentacles is about abundance of everything. And here is your pair here, King of Wands and Queen of Wands, both are here. So yes, this was the advice from the universe. Okay, they are going through a lot of pain, Aquarius here. They can't sleep at night at all, and they were unaware about their own emotions. Okay, because moon energy was here, so they were not unaware, they were unaware about their own emotions, and they're keeping tabs on you, that is for sure. So this was your energy, this was your extended love reading for the March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and healing energy, all my Aquarius, wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.